Want to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that attract more clicks? Figma gives you powerful tools to create professional thumbnails using images, text, shapes, effects, and reusable components. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create YouTube thumbnails in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Figma account and create a new design file. Then use the Frame tool to create a canvas using YouTube's recommended thumbnail size. Starting with the correct dimensions helps your thumbnail look sharp after it's uploaded. Next, add a background color, gradient, or image. Then import your photos, screenshots, or graphics to create the main visual for your thumbnail. Choosing a strong, high-quality image is one of the best ways to grab viewers' attention. Now insert a headline that clearly communicates what your video is about. Use large, bold fonts with strong contrast so the text remains readable, even on smaller screens. I mean, keeping your text short and easy to scan usually works better than using long sentences. Add shapes, outlines, shadows, icons, arrows, or other visual elements to highlight important parts of your thumbnail. Make sure everything supports the main message without making the design feel cluttered. Take a moment to zoom out and check how the thumbnail looks at a smaller size. Before exporting, check your spelling, alignment, and image quality. Then open the export section, choose PNG or JPG, and export your finished thumbnail. PNG is often a great choice when you want crisp text and graphics. Finally, upload your thumbnail when publishing your YouTube video or update the thumbnail on an existing video through YouTube Studio. So you've successfully created a YouTube thumbnail in Figma. And that's how to create YouTube thumbnails in Figma. By combining bold text, high-quality images, and clean layouts, you can design thumbnails that stand out and encourage more viewers to click on your videos. I mean, the more you experiment with different styles and layouts, the better your thumbnails will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.